Few lines on Republic Day, 26th January. Freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our heart, memories in our souls. Let's salute our nation on Republic Day. A very happy morning to all present here. We all have gathered here to celebrate Dash Republic Day. Greetings to all on occasion of Ganatantra Divas. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. On this day, Indian Constitution came into effect in 1950, which declared India's occurrence as an independent republic. It's a national holiday in India. VIPs from various nations are invited as chief guests and guests. The President of India unfurls the national flag at India Gate as the national anthem is played and a 21-gun salute is given. The highlight of the ceremony is the parade by armed forces displaying latest acquisitions and prowess, followed by a cultural parade that involves tableaus and cultural performances from various states and union territories. Children from various schools also showcase their talent in the form of dances and other performances. President of India distributes a series of peacetime and wartime gallantry awards, civilian awards, and bravery awards to the children. Children who are recipients of bravery awards ride past the spectators on colorful decorated elephants. IAF jets dazzle the skies with their aerobatic display. Official conclusion of Republic Day festivities is marked by beating the retreat ceremony conducted on evening of 29th January. Today, let's remember the golden heritage of our country and the heroes who sacrificed their lives to bring this glorious day. Let's remind us of our constitutional mantras of equality, liberty, fraternity, and justice, which would lead us to be responsible and trustworthy citizens of our country. Dear all, let's together be a part of this great nation's journey of peace, harmony, and progress. Once again, I congratulate you all. Thank you. Jai Hind!